My name is Andrew Ellis, and I'm the operations manager for Coca-Cola Consolidated Equipment Services. I manage a team of about 60 people, and we remanufacture equipment. So we basically tear it down to the frame and rebuild it through refrigeration, reinstall, diagnosing and repair, and then getting it out to the customer. When it comes down to the chemical does its job. That is a huge asset to getting all of the gunk and grease and grime off of the equipment. You have a cooler that sits in a restaurant, for example, and it just gets that film and that buildup. Squall will literally take it completely off with minimal scrubbing. I've been working with Sean for about 9 years.
Several things we do here. We have our 2.6 units absolutely everywhere. We do their hand care in both the restrooms, but obviously hand sanitizing stations. We have One Solutions. We use lots of different products around here. But one of the things they really like is we come in every single week, me and my team, to make sure that their products are stocked, that they have what they need to get through the next week.
Sean has been a great asset to Consolidated. Not only does he just do sales, he'll actually work on things such as our pressure washer. But more so, he identifies opportunities and he'll bring us a solution.
The biggest thing we do here is help them save time. So, they have so many pieces of equipment in peak season. They're pushing 120 units out this door every day. So that's a lot of units to have to clean and prep and relabel. So anything we can do to make their job easier and make it faster is gonna make them more productive and ultimately save the customer money.
That is the big thing for me with a vendor, is a lot of vendors will just tell you have a problem. Now I have to figure out what's going on. Sean comes in, identifies, and gives you a solution. He's great. He's the reason that we keep Steak Chem.